Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Cardano on Crypto.com and want to move it to your Phantom wallet, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through the entire process step by step for 2025, making sure it's smooth and secure. First things first, make sure you have both a Crypto.com account with some Cardano in it and a Phantom wallet set up on your device. Phantom is a popular wallet for cryptocurrencies like Cardano, so double-check that your wallet is funded or at least ready to receive assets. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Crypto.com app or website. Head over to the Wallets section and select your Cardano balance. You'll see an option to withdraw, tap on that. Now, for Step 2, you'll need to enter the wallet address from your Phantom wallet. Open your Phantom app, go to the Receive section, and copy the Cardano address. It's crucial to double-check this address because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Once you've pasted the address into Crypto.com, enter the amount of Cardano you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check your balance to cover those. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a confirmation screen. Review everything carefully before approving. This brings us to Step 3. Wait for the transaction to process. On the Cardano network, this usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. After that, head back to your Phantom wallet and refresh it. You should see your Cardano appear. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it a bit more time or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like CardanoScan. One quick tip. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets safe. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Cardano from Crypto.com to Phantom wallet in 2025. It's a simple process, but staying cautious is key in the crypto world. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.